Children, the tundra region is located at the extreme north and the south of the earth. See, this is Earth. The tundra region is located at the extreme north and the south of the earth, near the two poles, north and south poles. It lies between 60° north and 70° north in the northern hemisphere. See, these are the latitudes. 60° north and 70° north, and in southern hemisphere also 60° south and 70° south. 70° south. This area is called the tundra region. The tundra region derives its name from the Finnish word tunturia, meaning land without trees. The Finnish word tunturia. This Finnish word derives from this Finnish word. This means the land without trees. It is also known as frozen. The word tundra refers only to the areas where the subsoil is permanently frozen. The subsoil is permanently frozen is known as permafrost. The land is frozen most of the year. This is known as permafrost. Means the subsoil of that land is permanently frozen. That area, that subsoil is called permafrost. The tundra region shows typically characteristics of low temperature and very short growing season. Scanty precipitations. Winters are long and severely cold. The tundra region receives 6 months of mild sunlight, while the other 6 months are dark. The tundra region covers 1/5 of the Earth's surface. Arctic tundra stretches approximately between 60° north and 70° north latitudes in the freeze zone, 60° south and 70° south latitudes. Antarctic region includes the continents of Antarctica and islands such as South Georgia, South Sandwich Island, etc. In this region, winters are very long, lasting up to 10 months, while summer lasts for a short time. This is also very little rainfall in the Arctic and Antarctic tundra. The winters are cold and dark. The sun does not rise for months together. Similarly, in the summers, the sun does not set. Even at midnight, it shines brightly on the horizon. That is why the Arctic and the Antarctic region are often referred to as the land of midnight sun. The land of midnight sun referred to as the Arctic and the Antarctic regions. Even the sun cannot warm the tundra much, and the temperature always stay low. The temperature is always low. Next is vegetation. The tundra region does not have trees, and the land is not completely barren. In the summer, the upper layer of ice and snow melts to reveal the ground, and small plants, mosses, grasses and shrubs begin to grow. Summer is also the time when some shrubs flower, bringing color to the otherwise dull landscape. As you know, the tundra region does not have trees. Even the land is not completely barren. Barren means banjar, fertile. Here in the summers, the upper layer of uh, ice and snow melts to reveal the ground. When upper layer of ice and snow melt, the ground floor and small plants, mosses, grasses and shrubs begin to grow. When ice melt, the small plants, mosses, grasses and shrubs are start to begin to grow. Summer is also the time when some shrubs flower begin color to the tundra region, but the otherwise dull and landscape. Only in summers some plants are grow, shrubs, plants, grasses are grow. Other time the land is full of snow and ice. Next is animal life. The climate of the tundra region is freezing cold. Only animals with a protective layer of fur or fat can survive there. The polar bear is found only in the Arctic region. Other animals inhabiting the Arctic tundra include caribou, Arctic fox, Arctic hare, seal, walrus, and musk ox. Whales are found in the ocean, and the Arctic tern flies above it. As you know, the climate of tundra region is freezing cold. Only animals with protective layer of fur or fat can survive there. Fur means the soft and a layer of hair, soft hair for certain animals, which those animals can only survive here, which are fur or fat can the animals with the protective layer of fur or fat can survive there. The polar bear is found only in the Arctic region. The polar bear is only found in Arctic region. Other animals inhabiting the Arctic tundra include caribou, Arctic fox, Arctic hare, seal, walrus and musk ox. Whales are found in the ocean and the Arctic tern flies above it. In the Arctic tundra, a special breed of dogs called the huskies are bred by the people to draw sledges over the snow. Since Antarctica is so cut off from the rest of the world, very few land mammals are found here. Animal life mainly consists of birds and marine creatures. One of its most popular residents in the penguin bird. Other animals found there include seals and whales.